Have you ever spent valuable time creating content for keywords only to be disappointed by poor results? Some keywords are harder to rank for than others, and not all sites are strong enough to compete for keywords with high competition. I'm going to show you how to find easy keywords that your site has the best chance of ranking for. For this video, let's pretend Huddle.com is our site. The Keyword Difficulty tool will automatically assign a competitive power score to our site. This is an important benchmark. It tells us what level of keyword competition we should target in order to get the best results from our keywords. It is based on our site's past performance in organic search, which helps us understand our authority in search. Now we can search for easy-to-rank keywords by entering a broad keyword or phrase into the tool. For example, Huddle.com is a tool for team collaboration and project management. So I will type in project management tool. Look at the list of results. Keywords that are within your competitive power have a lightning bolt icon to the right of the competition score. It's important to choose keywords you find with a competition score at or below your competitive power to increase your chances of ranking in search. You can view only keywords within your competitive power using the filters. Adjust the competition filter to at or below your competitive power, which is marked on the filter range. Here's a pro tip. You can also filter out keywords that already drive traffic to your site. This will help you focus only on new keyword opportunities. Now you have a list of easy-to-rank keywords that your site should perform well for. Review the results to find relevant keywords that you can create content for. For example, workflow software looks like a relevant, popular term. Huddle.com could choose to create a landing page that describes how their tools help teams seamlessly manage their workflows. Save the keyword opportunities you find to your workspace to come back to them later. Simply click the star next to the keyword. Here's another tip. You can also enter a website that has high-quality content related to the topics you care about to find even more keywords that are relevant to your audience. For example, Wrike.com is another popular project management tool. We can enter Wrike.com into the Keyword Difficulty tool to find other keywords that are relevant to Huddle.com and their audience. You can filter and save the keyword results you find the same way that we did before. Now you're ready to find easy-to-rank keywords for your own site. If you don't already have an Alexa account, you can try this tool for free with a trial of the advanced plan.